find apples. All right. Ow. Hit my face. So, you gotta find a rock.
I got a rock. Want to be friends?
All right. Wait. Do you know the way of the future and the past in the galaxy of the Mungus? I love teeth buckles, dude. I love teeth buckles.
Oh my god,
Where's
dude.
your helmet? Are you wearing shoes?
Alright, here's the rock.
All right.
Yep.
So.
We're gonna have to make me a bow and arrow later.
All right. Follow me.
That's just a dead guy.
Follow me, dead guy. No, follow me. You gotta follow me. It's the way of the past, not the future. Oh man. We got to come. Alright, follow me, my boys. So, how to make a walk. That's not how you do it. There you go. Where is it? I got it. Alright? Yeah. Don't ask questions, just know. Alright.
Oh.
Alright, so after you bang it, it gets the hardness of the walk.
Got it.
You don't touch my bum.
But it's okay, we're friends, man.
Oh,
We're friends.
oh,
It's okay, man.
Safety first. I think I'm dying.
That's mine.
Good thing I didn't die because I had safety first.
You're not doing it what?
No, you gotta. No.
Oh.
You don't even know.
You don't even know.
You're just the dead guy.
No,
Wait,
you don't even
You gotta pick it up. No.
Wait till you.
You gotta pick it up.
You gotta put
Wait.
it in the oven for
Then
5 to 10 minutes.
You gotta pick it up with the knife. Okay.
Safety always comes first when it comes to magical ponies.
I think that's good.
Almost 7. That's okay. I can feel the way of the raccoon. See, with the raccoon, here's some nature knowledge. Because we're building a rock, here's some nature.
Oh, it was wet.
Film the penguin! So with the penguin you see. No, stop it.
Lick the rock.
I don't want it.
Tastes like tomatoes. Smells like it too.
Alright, so see the way of the penguin? The penguin will not be determined in the factuality of the penguin. So, when you're out in the wild, you gotta relax sometimes. And that's the way of the future.
But what about him?
By the past? That guy?
No. Him. The beast.
Oh yes, the beast. He went down!
The beast is coming! No! The beast! The beast!
I got him!
So, that's the end of today's episode. Drama music. That's because Nationwide is not Nerf or nothing. If someone asks you out, I give you advice. Say no. Nerf or nothing for life. If you wear socks, if you wear shoes, you're dead to me. Happy birthday, and don't ask the clown for candy.